Woodworking is not only a rewarding hobby, but also a viable path to financial success. As the demand for handmade, unique items increases, artisans can capitalize on their skills to create profitable ventures. This article delves into various profitable woodworking ideas, emphasizing the importance of marketing, sustainability, and job opportunities in the craft. One of the most significant advantages of woodworking is its potential for customization. Consumers today are looking for personalized items that reflect their individual tastes and lifestyles. By offering bespoke services, woodworkers can attract clients who are willing to pay a premium for unique, handcrafted pieces. This customization not only enhances the value of the products, but also fosters a deeper connection between the artisan and the customer. Marketing plays a crucial role in the success of any woodworking business. Establishing a strong online presence through social media and e-commerce platforms allows artisans to showcase their work to a broader audience. High-quality images and engaging content can captivate potential customers, encouraging them to explore your offerings. Building a brand around your craftsmanship can help differentiate you in a competitive market, making your work more recognizable and desirable. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can also be an effective marketing strategy. These events provide woodworkers with the opportunity to interact directly with potential customers, allowing them to showcase their skills and products. Engaging with the community can lead to valuable feedback, helping artisans refine their offerings. Additionally, these gatherings often create a sense of camaraderie among fellow artisans, fostering collaboration and support within the woodworking community. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in consumer purchasing decisions. By using reclaimed wood or environmentally friendly materials, woodworkers can appeal to a growing demographic that prioritizes eco-conscious choices. Highlighting sustainable practices not only enhances your brand image, but also allows you to charge a premium for your products. Consumers are often willing to invest more in items that align with their values, making sustainability a key aspect of profitability. Expanding your product range can also lead to increased income. While custom projects may attract higher-end clients, offering a variety of items at different price points can appeal to a broader audience. Consider creating both high-end, bespoke pieces and more affordable items that can sell quickly. This diversification allows you to capture different market segments, ensuring that your business remains resilient to fluctuations in demand. Teaching woodworking classes is another avenue for generating income. Many individuals are eager to learn new skills, and sharing your expertise can attract a diverse audience. Workshops can range from beginner to advanced levels, allowing you to cater to various skill sets. Not only does this provide an additional revenue stream, but it also builds a community of woodworking enthusiasts who may become loyal customers of your products. Customer feedback is invaluable in shaping your woodworking business. Actively seeking input from your audience helps refine your offerings and ensures that you are meeting their needs. By maintaining open communication with customers, you can build trust and loyalty, encouraging repeat business. Engaging with your audience through surveys or social media can provide insights into their preferences and expectations, allowing you to tailor your products accordingly. Networking within the woodworking community can also lead to new job opportunities. Collaborating with other artisans or local businesses can create exciting partnerships that expand your reach. Joint ventures often lead to cross-promotion, increasing visibility for both parties involved. By building relationships with fellow craftsmen, you can tap into new markets and share resources, ultimately enhancing your profitability. In conclusion, crafting cash through woodworking is a journey filled with opportunities. By focusing on customization, effective marketing, sustainability, and community engagement, artisans can transform their skills into profitable ventures. With dedication and creativity, woodworking can provide not only financial rewards, but also personal fulfillment. Embrace the possibilities and let your passion for woodworking lead you to success. If you enjoyed Crafting Cash, the most profitable woodworking ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration on turning your woodworking passion into profit. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach fellow woodworking enthusiasts who are eager to explore creative marketing strategies, job opportunities, and sustainable practices in the handmade woodworking industry. Join our community as we delve into the art of crafting unique pieces that enhance home decor while maximizing your income potential. Your support not only fuels our mission, but also fosters a vibrant network of artisans dedicated to thriving in the world of woodworking.